Okay, let's start with Ribo writing R. IST typing the I. Typing R humanities. He's very serious. You see? You see, he's very serious. Look at his hands. Look at his hands. Oh, you see, it's pass. You see, it's incredible. Look at that. Look at the screen. Ooh, look at the screen. You see the Monte smiling. You see, looking at the project. He's smiling, smiling, smiling. You see, he's signing off rack. You see, that one is a very maniac man. You see, he's watching a porn. He always watch porn. He wants Japanese porn star. And this man, a very serious man. I can't say anything, but he's the son of Mona Lisa. You see, he's very serious, even not laughing. Oh. You see, he's very serious in it. You see. Oh, very fast texting. You see, here comes Mr. Superman. Oh. Look at him with his earphones. He's just a yellow Superman. An orange Superman. Let's look outside. Let's look outside. Let's explore. This is the BSAEE making their human. Oh, look at those three. I asked the four. Look at those four. They're just a Greek. They were just playing those things. I don't know what to say about those. Okay, let's go and come. This is Mr. Brian. This is Mr. Brian. He's the master playing of Dota. You see? Oh, you see his admiration. That is a word. Look, these two, they're so similar. You see? Yeah. You see, that is a BSAEE. And it's me who are talking. Goodbye.